Alrighty, doing a little testing on one of our Saturday night bracket specials here, Big Block Chevrolet, 750 horsepower. It's a good, reliable piece. Something you want to go to the drag strip every weekend, beat on, week in, week out. Did some manifold testing, as you can see. We have got this Edelbrock on here right now, 2927, and over here we just took off a little Sniper Junior. So believe it or not, it was within about peak power, horsepower and a half. So typically that Sniper, if we're struggling on manifold efficiency, it will be a little bit better than this Edelbrock here. So it just shows us that we're not. We've kind of got a good little combination within the cylinder head, camshaft stuff. So yeah. So if you thinking about changing and you got a motor that's around 750 horsepower, you know the Edelbrock will run good, Sniper runs good. So stay tuned for further updates. Have a great day.